In life, there's always trial. But what make we win and what make we feel proud of ourselves is when we don't give up. When we don't give up and we go through the struggle and we come out successful, we feel proud. This year, for the longest while, this year is the most I struggle growing cabbage and even collards. All right? Some beautiful collards. The worms was on another level this year when come and my cabbage them. They give me a fight and I refuse to use chemical and spray them. I refuse. I get up, I come out and I search my plants them to make sure I find the worms them and try to get rid of them. The challenge was so challenging, but I'm grateful. I'm grateful and I'm glad I did not give up. Because I did not give up, I able to harvest 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 cabbage. They mightn't be as big as I expected, but I able to get cabbage. Why I believe they didn't get that big this year? The challenge. And me got to be breaking off the outer leaf to make sure that I can find the worms. It was a challenge to these plants. It was very stressful for them because I keep breaking the leaf them and searching. But I didn't give up. I didn't give up. This could actually feed a family. This could be dinner for a family. Don't give up in life itself. Don't give up. Because if I did give up, I wouldn't have this study. Thank you all. Please like, subscribe and share.